Okay friends, I'm back with another What's in the Box video. This box comes to me today from good old Uncle Henry, and I've been anticipating it. I eagerly got it this morning, but I couldn't open it, so I had to go to work. So I thought, why not open it with my YouTube friends? So without further ado, let's find out what's in the box from Uncle Henry. My trusty cam girl isn't here to help me today, so it's going to be a one-handed video. So you'll have to bear with me. Okay, let's see what we got. There's some inventory. Okay, what do we got here? Oh, that's a sweet Henry ammo box. Made in America or not made at all. Gotta like that. It's pretty large. Holds 22 long rifle or 22 mag. Man, I like that. That's gonna look good out at the range. Thanks, Uncle Henry. What else we got here? Oh, looks like some free advertising. Nice. Gotta like that. Oh yeah. Henry repeating arms. Sweet. Now, let's see what we got here. This is the whole reason for this shipment today. I don't know how I'm gonna open this. Hang on a second. I'm just gonna have to put the phone down for 1 sec. Sorry about that. As I said, my lovely assistant cam girl isn't here, so I'm trying to do this one-handed. What do we got? Oh yes, the Henry big loop lever. Wow, I like that. This is for my Henry Golden Boy rifle. Big loop levers made famous by such Western stars as John Wayne in the movie Stagecoach, and we all know Chuck Connors in the Rifleman. I can't wait to get this installed. That is going to look so sweet on my Henry rifle. Okay, I'm going to install it this weekend, and I'll get back to you with a video of how it looks. Thanks for watching, guys, and until next time, we'll catch you later.